Mille paps, jou, 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 jou. Mille paps, ach, как вкусно, ням-ням-ням.
Darcei. Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite gold-headed Meech back at it again with another video. Today's gonna be a really chill video where we're just relaxing, doing our skincare, doing our makeup, and hopefully talking quietly because my head hurts. I'm gonna take this off. Oh my god. Oh my god, where's my apple juice? So today I'm doing my everyday fall makeup routine, and routine is a strong word because I only put makeup on when I'm filming a video. So really this is just fall makeup I like to put on sometimes. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna tie my hair back and I'm gonna put on my Kylie skin headband that my friend Kylie Jenner sent to me in the mail. My eyes are so crusty. Good thing I have my special cleansing gel from Dermalogica. This isn't an ad. I don't know why I said it like that. I wish it was an ad. Guys, my head really hurts. So I'm on heavy drugs right now. And by heavy drugs, I mean Tylenol. I took 2. So hopefully this skincare routine is going to relax me because my brain is on fire.
Mille paps, jou, 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 jou. Mille paps, ach, как вкусно, ням-ням-ням. Mille paps, jou, 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 jou.
I'm just fucking vibing right now, bro. Okay, now that we're all clean and fresh, I'm gonna be taking my Dermalogica toner. I swear to God, this video is not sponsored. I swear to God. It's a spray toner, so you just go like this on your face, though. And then I just let that sink into my skin, kids. Real moisturizing. Smells pretty good, too. Citrusy. Oh, yeah, that's good. What's good, bro? What am I doing next? Serum. So I'm gonna use the CosRX Snail Juice all over my face. Look at that. It feels kind of good. I don't want it to stop. Whoa. And now that my face is properly lubricated, I'm gonna use some beauty tools. So my friend Sarah actually started her own brand called Sachu, and the first launch is these beauty tools. So this is the first one. It's a stainless steel facial roller, and she used stainless steel because it's less porous, so it doesn't harbor as much bacteria. I'm just gonna start rolling my face. Oh, I needed this. And I mean, the rollers that I had before were not really great quality. So like they did a little something something, but I've only been using these tools for maybe like a week and I've already noticed a difference in my face. Oh yeah. I feel my headache melting away. Don't forget the neck, girl. Don't forget that neck! Oh, so good. But wait, there's more. She has a second tool. The gua sha. So before I got this, I had actually never tried a gua sha before and I had no idea how to use it. So if you guys want to know how to properly use it, I'm gonna link Sarah's video on how to use both of these tools in the description box. But basically I started using this little divot here, putting it on my face like that. That was really aggressive. Putting it on my face like that and then just dragging it up the jawline, and that really gets rid of any extra fluids and stuff going on in there. Really contours the jawline, because you know your girl's been eating a little bit too much ramen, just saying. And the gua sha tool goes really deep, girl. She gets in there. I think you're only supposed to use it like 3 times a week. Like when I use the gua sha tool, I can feel all of the knots in my face. First of all, I'm I realized I had knots in my face. My face is stressed out, apparently. So we just want to work all those out, you know? So both of them are really good for like lifting and firming the skin. I feel like I look so much better after I use them. We don't need Botox up in here, sweetie. We have beauty tools, okay? We got that gua sha. You know what I mean? That gua sha. Anyways, I'm gonna put on my moisturizer now. Again, we're using more snail juice from CosRX. This is their moisturizer. That was a lot. But can you ever have too much moisturizer? I don't think so. This looks really wrong. we're just gonna, and if I'm gonna be putting lipstick on today, I gotta do something about these lips, girl. I feel like I'm not drinking enough water. But have no fear, VU92 is here to save the day. Some more products from my friends. So Edward Avila also came out with his own beauty line. If I open up this beautiful book, there's pictures of him. Look at this beautiful boy. So soft, so gentle. Oh my god, what was that? Wow! This is my favorite photo. And then these are the products! So this is a lip toner and this is the lip milk. And you can use these together for perfectly moist, supple lips. So this one's like really liquidy. You just drop it on those lips, girl. Just rub it in. So this one has a really light texture, and then her sister, ooh, she's thick. Ooh. That's good. Oh yeah, she's soft, she's supple, and ready for application. Okay. Okay, now it's time to get fierce. I'm gonna take this off. My hair looks stupid. First, I want to do my edges before I do anything. So I'm gonna take my toothbrush and my argan oil from Morocco Perfect Edges Extra Hold Hair Gel from Cream of Nature. It's really long. Wow. Do you guys ever start busting out into Disney show tunes, or is that just me? My hair looks so stupid. What is my hair doing right now? What is my hair doing right now? Barely even friends, then somebody ran unexpectedly. I literally look like a crackhead right now. Okay. So as usual, I'm gonna be taking my No Pore Primer from Touch in Sol. Putting that all over my face. Oh, that is smooth. That's what that is. Let me wet my sponge, because I'm gonna use it to apply my Morphe 2 skin tint. This is in the color Nutmeg. Well guys, I finally accepted it. Summer is gone. I'm very upset. But you know, fall's not so bad, especially because I get to wear turtlenecks now. You guys know I love turtlenecks, so from now on, you're never gonna see my neck again. For concealer, I'm gonna take out my handy dandy Kylie Cosmetics. So this is the color Almond. I can't believe that this concealer is too dark for me in the winter. How pale do I get in the winter? My God. This is what I get for living in Canada. 9 months out of the year, I'm a ghost. While this is sitting, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I'm going to take my Anastasia brow pencil, because we gotta clean these up a little bit, because I haven't been to my brow lady in a while, and my next appointment is not for like another month. So we're just gonna have to live with these. We're going to attempt to make these look presentable. Little brow, you're a little eyebrow. Little brow, you're a wee eyebrow. Little brow, you're a little eyebrow. I think that's good enough. Okay, we're just gonna start blending this out here. All right there, brother. I've been doing this Canadian accent for a while now. I don't know why, I don't know how it started, but I've been doing it and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. So we're just gonna be blending this out here, eh? Is that okay there, brother? You know, I'm just gonna blend out this concealer. I'm just gonna sneak right past ya. That's my favorite thing Canadians say when you're at the grocery store and someone's in your way and you're just like, I'm just gonna sneak right past ya. I love Canada. And I'm just gonna set this with my Laura Mercier powder. But we're not gonna let it sit. We're just gonna press it right in because it's fall time. It's getting kind of chilly, which means my skin's gonna get real dry, and we don't want it to get worse. I mean, honestly, right now it's not cold at all. Like, what's the temperature today? Let's look. 22. Honestly, I'm starting to sweat in this turtleneck, guys. But I have to keep up my fall aesthetic. I'm gonna be taking my Too Faced Peaches and Cream palette, which is so old. Oh my god, I need to get a new one. But I'm gonna take the color Fresh Picked and put that all over my lid. Ow! God! Ah! I really need to stop stabbing myself. It's not good. Not good. This palette smells really good. If you need me, baby, I'm for real. Rest of your life, I'll take you to paradise. Paradise is very nice. It's fresh. Touch it, why don't you? Oh. Touch it, why don't you? Oh. Touch it, why don't you? Yeah. Touch it, why don't you? Oh yeah. Can you feel the fall time goodness? I'm feeling it. I'm just putting on more and more layers of Fresh Picked until I die. That's the plan for my life. But anyways, enough about me. How are you guys doing? Anything new in your life? How's the pandemic treating you? Terrible, probably. Don't answer that. I posted this look on Instagram the other day and everyone wanted a tutorial on it, so basically that's why I'm doing this. But the gag is, I had no idea what I was doing when I did this makeup look. In my head I was like, I want to be a pink princess today. I started out doing a pink look and then I hated it. So I covered it up with brown, and this is how it turned out. A happy accident. So forgive me if this look isn't exactly the same, because I don't remember what I did. Next I'm gonna go in with Peach Tart on the same brush. We're just mixing this all together, guys. Can you focus on my face? Do I exist? Do I not exist to you? But basically, it's just like a orangey, browny, pinkish look. I don't know. I should not have worn this turtleneck. It was a bad idea. It's too hot today. But the aesthetic. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush into Peaches and Cream. Peaches and Cream. I'm just gonna carve out my lid with this beautiful color here. Peaches and Cream. It's even better when it's with ice cream. Know what I mean? Peaches and cream. I love that song. And we're just gonna blend that ever so softly. Picture out. Look at her. She's sexy. I can't find my tweezers. My tweezers, my lash glue, my sense of dignity. Can't find any of it. I found him. So now I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Bronzing Stick. This is the darkest shade because we're going for a very chocolatey brown look today. And then I'm gonna take this VDL blush in the color Marsala. Yes, this is the broken one. It broke while I was traveling one time. Still good. Okay, now for the lips, I'm going to be taking this pencil from Matte. This is the color Chestnut, just to line my lips. I'm gonna be putting on Active Lady from 3CE. Now, like I said before, this was supposed to be a pink look and then I turned it into a brown one because I didn't like the way it looked. I had this lipstick on at first, without the brown liner by the way, but now I know that the brown liner is necessary. And I'm really not concerned about putting it on perfectly at all, as you can probably tell, because I'm just covering it up anyway. It's just a base color. So who cares, sweetie? Not me. Just gonna let this sit for a second. In the meantime, we'll put on some highlighter. Let's grab Soft and Gentle by MAC. And already I feel like my skin is not chocolatey enough. So I'm gonna use this powder foundation from Morphe. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Thrilling from Rare Beauty. And girl, like I told you in the Rare Beauty haul, this is my shit! My shit! Oh, yeah. Sorry. I just get really excited about lipstick. Oh my god. She's beautiful. Just gonna put on a second layer. So instead of like a straight brown, it has a little bit of like a pinkish undertone. Just a hint. Beautiful. Look at her. gorgeous. Okay, zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna put my hair up. Lately, I've really been feeling the half up, half down style. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh my god, it's really hot. This is the look. I'm so tired. Where's my apple juice? My brain is exploding. Alright guys, that's all. I'm gonna go take a nap or something. Puts on a full face of makeup just to immediately wash it all off. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. This is the life I live. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. And subscribe to my channel because I know this is not the first video you've watched, okay? This is like the 5th. So come on, just press the button. And turn on notifications while you're at it. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end, guys. You guys are awesome. And I'll see you in the next one, which is gonna be in 2 seconds because you're just gonna click one of these. And don't forget that I love ya so much. Bye!